what happens is that we expect people to make their way into family court. Good, solid English-speaking human beings. But then the language that we use in family court is often not the English that you're going to hear, perhaps in your own home or in the supermarket or on the television. Because the language that we use in family court is littered with legalese. It's littered with phrases that aren't from day-to-day English. And so imagine for a moment, as lots of our clients do, that English is not their first language. As we have obviously a huge community in this country of people who are foreign nationals who've come from elsewhere around the globe. And so English is not their first language. And so we're asking those people to stand in a courtroom and in their head translate from what is being said into whatever their native tongue is. And what is happening, in my experience, is that there is a vast amount of misunderstanding in court, and it only becomes evident after the fact, because nobody wants to put their hand up in the family court and say, "I'm sorry, I don't understand." So they let it run. Decisions are made based on them only having a partial understanding of what's going on, and then they reflect and lament those decisions after the fact. The court does offer interpreter services, so the court will provide an interpreter for you, but those interpreters are few and far between, and obviously they come at a cost to the court, so they're not overly enthusiastic about doing it. So it's fast becoming a challenge, and so the thought that I had, which we are currently translating into action, is that maybe there should be some guidance available, some video guidance available that people whose first language is not English can watch and listen to in their native language, whatever that may be. And it gives them an insight and an education as to how the family court runs. Maybe that's something that should happen.